Evening. Irregularities uncovered in the issuance of chicken back importation permits. Christmas tree price hike. And man flouting curfew order in social media video faces fine or imprisonment.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what special arrangements can be made for vendors during the Christmas season?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.